Today, I'll make some Swiss wings which are not from Switzerland. I have 500 grams of chicken wings, 4 spring onions, and a few slices of ginger. I'll chop up the spring onions, place them and the ginger in a pot of water, and bring them to a boil. Once the water starts to boil, place the chicken wings into the water and cook for 5 minutes. Afterwards, I'll immediately remove the wings from the cook pot and soak them in cold water for 10 minutes. I've also cleaned out the cook pot and discarded the spring onion and ginger. I'll now take out the light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, 5-spice powder, and rock sugar. I'll add 200 ml of light soya sauce, 200 ml of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of 5-spice powder, and 6 tablespoons of rock sugar to the cooking pot. I'll place the wings into the sauce and turn up the heat. Once the sauce starts to boil, turn down the heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes, turning the wings occasionally. Afterwards, I'll turn off the heat and let the chicken wings continue to soak up the sauce for another 15 minutes. And here are my Swiss wings. I'll have some instant noodles to go with them. Thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. If you do subscribe, please remember to click the bell as well. I'll see you soon.